getting itself, right?
Yep. Goodness. Got
Yeah.
black crud down there.
Yep, there's a lot of it.
Let's see how loose this guy is here. Check that water pump belt over there. It's a tiny bit loose, but this is seriously loose here.
Mm-hmm.
You know that the alternator belt's loose when you can spin the alternator by hand.
Oh, man.
Okay. Ron, do you have that soap? We'll try the experiment with the soap.
Well, yeah, and I actually have one of these belts.
Well, let's just put a little belt dressing on it, or soap.
Okay, and you
Just rub it on all the flat sides here.
on the flat sides. Okay.
Ultimately, this is wax.
Now, are we going to try to tighten this up, or are we just?
Yeah, we're going to try it, but I just want to prove to you that this might work.
Okay.
Try it over there.
We want to try to get back on the other side.
That's
or no?
hard to do that.
Okay.
So we'll give it a... Okay, go back where my feet are and hit the starter button, see if it'll start.
Okay.
So it squeaked less, so the belt dressing or the soap helped, but ultimately we just got to tighten up that belt. Look
Right.
at this.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Okay.
That is crazy.
Because that means this won't charge, and that water pump may not pump as much water as it should because everything's so loose.
Right.
And then of course that's the recirculating water pump, and that's the salt water pump down there.
Right.
Okay. So glad we checked it.
Yeah, me too.